Welcome to this Design Optimization Overview video. I'm Wes Newman, Technical Readiness Manager here at Autodesk. We're going to be creating a new project. We're going to utilize this concept plan as a basis for that. So we've imported our concept plan. Now we're ready to start laying out our actual road in Infraworks 360. So here you can see we're going to do it via PI method. Change the curves from spiral to standard curve, and we're going to finish laying out the road. Next we're going to expand on the component roads. So we just did a 2-lane road to start. Now we're going to add in a median, and then eventually we're going to replace the whole thing with a pre-populated component. Notice here we're going to insert a component road that's going to match that concept plan. So we got our 4-lane road, divided highway, we've got our sidewalks both sides, and now we're going to add in our grading on each side and change that grading view. So you can see we've also laid out some trees staggered. So looking at that concept plan, now we need to go back, do some roundabouts at these intersections. That's as simple as just hitting the intersection, switching it to a roundabout, and then specifying which standard we want to utilize. Now that we've got the road laid out, we're going to do a vertical optimization. That's going to allow us to actually try to manage our cut and fill and try to minimize the amount of cut and fill across the project. So now we've got our new vertical alignment imported, and we're going to show you some super elevation. So you just right click, show super elevation. It's automatically going to calculate it based on design speed, and here we can look at it in cross section, look at those different typical spots there for normal crown, reverse crown, and full super. And then we can also generate very quick quantities, just a quick cut and fill based on the project itself. Now we're going to do a traffic simulation. So we're going to generate a traffic area around our major road here, and then we're going to run the simulation, and it's going to calculate the amount of cars coming in and out, and the queues. Notice at the bottom, the red there, those are larger queues that we need to address, and the blue ones just have a medium amount. So what we can do to address those is we can modify the intersection, add turn lanes, things like that. Now we've moved over to Civil 3D. We've imported that Infraworks project, and we're going to view the profile there, and we can start creating a corridor, create some cross sections, and here we can do a dynamic update of that cross section. Notice when we move that vertical alignment, the quantities automatically update, showing you the power of those dynamics. That's going to conclude this video on Design Optimization Overview.